Empower, prevent, save. Welcome to Tech Safety Lines, your premier partner in training and advanced safety solutions for the most demanding industries. At Tech Safety Lines, we are committed to empowering your workforce with cutting-edge safety technology, innovative training, and expert consulting services, ensuring a safer environment for everyone. With 40,000 square feet of climate-controlled training space in Dallas, Texas, our award-winning facilities feature customized training props, wind turbine blade sections, 3S lift, multiple mock nacelles, large classrooms, and the highest quality mechanical, hydraulic, and electrical equipment simulator available. Tech Safety Lines proudly utilizes members of the Dallas Fire Department's Technical Rescue Team and Urban Search and Rescue, as well as industry veterans as instructors for our training courses. These experienced and certified professionals bring real-life simulated situations to our curriculum and make the environment unique, hands-on, and applicable. Wherever challenges arise, we are there, empowering industries with the tools and knowledge to protect their most valuable asset, their people. Whether you're looking to enhance workplace safety, comply with regulations, or boost productivity, Tech Safety Lines has the expertise, technology, and dedication to make it happen. Visit our website at techsafetylines.com to explore our full range of services and take the first step towards a safer, more secure future for your organization.